Introducing the latest line of FutureFit kits featuring our new selectable technology. PowerSelect's micro switch allows you to quickly change the output wattage and lumens. ColorSelect brings maximum versatility to color temperature, allowing selection between 5000, 4000, 3500, and 3000 Kelvin. PowerSelect and ColorSelect are now available in our 8 and 13-inch circular kits and our 6 and 11-inch rectangular kits. Our linear FutureFit kits come with a constant current Class P driver with PowerSelect technology and include IlumiGroove modules, lenses, and mounting hardware. These kits are available in 1 foot with 3 power selectable options, 2 foot with 3 power selectable options, and 4 foot with 3 power selectable options. All of our FutureFit kits offer smooth 0 to 10 volt dimming, flexible mounting, low flicker, and easy installation. Get maximum versatility by reducing your SKUs and quickly giving your customers the output and color temperature they need. That's light made easy.
Keystone Technologies. Light made easy.